ridge. Hey, you got more heat signatures on the ridge ahead. Okay, give us your targets.
This shit is the best way up?
It's the fastest. No time to explore any options.
Wait till you see the terrace view.
Oh, I expect to be blown away. Shut up. Eyes peeled.
Tombstone actual. Radar's lighting up. We got hostile air.
Oh, fuck! Got him! No! Son of a bitch! Fuck! Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up! Motherfucker's gonna tear this place down! What? Intel better be fucking worth it! Move it!
Get in here now. The building's unstable. Come on. Stand by. I've lost control.
Holy shit. You okay, man? Pack, any sign of Hawkins and the rest of the crew?
No one survived that.
Get done away from the wreckage!
I can't. He's buried.
Try! I'm over here digging up Wrecker.
Oh, my leg. Oh, man. Oh, man.
Jesus Christ, his leg looks like pop sausage.
You're gonna be fine, Dunn. You're gonna be okay, man. We're gonna get you out.
Pack the fuel!
Yeah, I know.
Stop! Wrecker, cover me! Get out now! Get out!
Please, I'll help you.
No, please. No, you have to get out of here. It's not safe. Fucking civilians.
Wrecker, I need your knife. Well, 4 Staff Sergeant. Gotta cut the leg. Gotta do what? Wrecker, come here! A wolf stuck in a trap will chew off its own leg to survive. Come on! The bone's powder, just flesh and uniform keeping me here. Do it! Cut it now! Ah!
We gotta go.
Is he dead?
He's not dead, he's just passed out. You're the combat lifesaver, man. You should know this, Pat.
It was like a 3-hour course. Incoming! Down!
Let's go! Chopper's coming back around, let's go!
Hey, these Azerbaijanis are all right, huh? Come on, in. You're gonna be okay, Dunn. You're gonna be okay. We're gonna get you out. You're gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay, right?
It's the boss, man. You're damn right it's gonna be okay. Let's go! Wrecker, take the wheel! Fortress, this is Tombstone. Our evac is going. Need another way out. Do you copy?
Tombstone, Fortress is tracking. Secondary extraction inbound. Follow the road 3 clicks west.
Copy, Fortress, en route. Where's the chopper? No, I'm looking.
Shit, my leg. My wife's gonna kill me.
Dunn, breathe slowly. You'll be fine. We'll get you home. You're gonna be fine.
The intel we got dropped in the Admiral chain in the Russians. None of us is going home. I was here to help you at the bars with this.
Just hang in there. Speed up, Brett. Dunn's going into shock. Here it comes! Parker, can we shake it?
Not fucking likely. Where the fuck is it? Where'd it go? You don't see it?
Didn't see where the heck it went.
There, I see it. Get ready.
Speed up! Oh, this is close.
Step on it, damn it.
It's
involved. In the event of a Chinese military coup, the Russians would be loyal to Admiral Chang.
That confirms the report from our asset in China.
So Staff Sergeant Dunn was killed for something we already know.
There's rioting in the streets of Shanghai, Captain, and the Russians are getting involved. We needed to know for sure. That we had to lock down Suez is delicate enough. One wrong move, we're talking war. You have your orders, Captain.
Aye, aye. Steaming towards the east coast of China.
Martial fucking law for a billion people. They're pissed off about the assassination of Jim Jay.
Who was he, sir?
He was on deck for the presidency. Progressive. He pushed the government for transparency, fairness, freedom of speech. Admiral Chang convinced more than a few of them that we killed Mr. J. Now, if your operation blows up, Chang will have all the excuse he needs to give all that anger, all that hate, a real target. It'll be war. Now, your job is to pull VIPs out of the GU tower safe and sound. Extraction will be coordinated by one spook agent, Laszlo W. Kovic. Unless absolutely necessary, do not fire your weapons. Record. Staff Sergeant Dunn felt you were the guy to lead the team, give orders if anything happened to him. Yeah. His loss is tragic, to say the least. Don't make me regret honoring his last decision. Do the right thing. Fly under the radar. No room for mistakes, boys.